I'll give you a real basic example. Everyone has stubbed their toe before. I've done it, we're all guilty. It hurts, it smarts, as they say. You do that little dance in the living room on one foot. But most of us won't do anything about it. We'll probably stub our toe on that couch 2 or 3 more times before it's painful enough that we learn to walk around the couch. We come up with a solution because it's painful. We lose enough clients, we'll come up with a solution because it's painful. But that solution might just be a Band-Aid. So what I mean by that is, if you stub your toe on the couch and it's because the couch is in a weird position, then rearrange the furniture so you don't stub your toe on the couch anymore. Don't keep stubbing your toe until it becomes so painful that you build the muscle memory to walk around the couch and do extra work to avoid the problem, which could have been fixed in the beginning by simply rearranging the furniture. And it's not just your toe that's being stubbed. Your guests and your friends come to your house, they stub their toe too. So you're fixing the solution for everyone in the beginning, not putting a Band-Aid on it.